Enhancing synergy between the federal and state governments in the administration of justice in Nigeria has brought together state attorneys general from across the country, charged by the Attorney General of the Federation to be guided by the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy. He also calls for another summit on justice.
I would like to note that after close to 6 years, it is imperative that we convene another national summit on justice to enable us to assess the performance and impact of the 2017 policy and determine appropriate review and amendments in order to further deepen legal and judicial reforms in our country.
The president of the Nigerian Bar Association reiterates this point, adding the need to improve remuneration for judicial officers.
Talking about administration of justice without mentioning the dedication of this crop of brilliant women and men and women of law is akin to staging the Shakespearean Hamlet without the prince. It is therefore imperative that the matter of their welfare and conditions of service are made priority issue in order to get the best out of them.
In his speech delivered by Justice Kudirat Kekereekun, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Olukayode Ariwola, posits that the earlier courts and judicial officers are respected, the better for Nigeria's justice sector.
It is no more news that our judicial officers and even court facilities have been variously attacked, molested, harassed, and desecrated across the country. I wish to let whoever cares to listen know that nobody, no matter his or position in the society, should mistake our golden silence for weakness or vulnerability.
Attacks on judicial officers and judicial infrastructure will not be tolerated. That's the message from the Chief Justice of Nigeria at this meeting. Nigeria's Attorney General of the Federation, Mr. Abubakar Malami, took his time to explain the need for better synergy between state attorneys general and federal institutions, saying that this will help in better dispensation of justice. He's also talking about the need for another judicial summit, one that will help to assess the policy and the impact it's had over the years, so to ensure that the judicial sector in Nigeria is more efficient. Kayla Megwa, Channels Television News.